Make a great choice today with the 2019 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling. So here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.